Hey, welcome back. It is day 250, no, 226, I believe, or 227. 227 I'm gonna bet on. Um so today I went into lab and checked my model. So my model got pretty good uh metrics, but I kind of cheated the system, so I'm not gonna like use those results. I was like looking back on like how I was doing everything, and I just like had like if a ray hit someone, spike the amplitude basically, like increase the amount of power, which makes no sense. Like maybe you can make the argument, oh, like Doppler effect or whatever, but it was just like cheating. And also there was even a part in my code that was like after getting the raw date. No, it was while getting the data, right? It was like muffling like idle movements, and I'm like I'm like, why am I doing this? This actually makes no sense. So removed that and changed just some parameters. And the like to the naked eye, the data looked all right. So I have that running overnight right now. And I will stop it in the morning and run it on my CNN to LSTM architecture tomorrow. Um, yeah, that's basically that. Um, as for leak code, it was the classic like turning the stone thing, but it was just if they're equal, destroy them, and then if one is bigger than the other, then like kind of like just destroy them and then add like a new one that's x minus y. And so that's literally what I did. I just sorted the array, popped the two top values, so that's the two heaviest. And if they weren't equal to each other, then I just created the new. I created the new um, value to put in the stack, and if that condition wasn't satisfied, then we just popped them, and that's destroying them. So quite an easy thing. Um, so yeah, I was um, I was out late tonight again, so sorry about the video, but I had a great night, so I can't complain. Um, yeah, that is all I had. So I'll see you tomorrow for day, I think 228. It could be 227. I should probably check before I record these. But I'm going to bed. So take care, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.